Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom LED lamp notifications on Motorola Moto G53. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's look for the app called NotifyBuddy. Select it from the list and click on the install. When it's finally ready, click on the open, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions for the app. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm gonna leave it enabled. If you have any problems, go back and disable it. Now the app should be ready and you can see 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can find all system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, a shape, placement on the screen. I'm gonna press on the test button and you can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.